In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Spotify in Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type store. We'll be having this Microsoft Store. Open it and here go to search and type Spotify and search it. We'll be having the official Spotify music app. Click that and here you can see it has 34,000 ratings. Just select install. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient for a while. So once it is done, just click on open, and in case if you want to have a shortcut, you can simply search for Spotify. You'll be having this. You can simply right click and print it to taskbar and it will be appearing over here, and you can simply log in and use it. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.